Hello guys, Tadya house. So I'm going to try to play the Labubu. Meron na siya sa edge. I'm going to try this one. Get it! So cute! I got the Labubu keychain. So cute! Pagkakay pa ako ng isa kasi kapag nakakuha ka ng prize, na dalawang prize, you can get a chance to win this one. So, hindi pa yung isa. Medyo mahirap yung isa. Yan. Okay. Pumunta siya sa gilid. Okay. Oh my God! Ano, nakuha ko siya? I got it! So, I got two. So, I got two. And I have the chance to scratch dito. Sa ano, may chance ako mag-scratch dito. So, I'm going to scratch this. Number 3. Number 3. Walang number 3. Number 1, 8, 20, and 10. Walang number 3. But, I get to Labubu. But I got to Labubu is... Galing. Meron na akong Labubu keychain. So cute. Bye. Thank you for watching. Until next time. That's it. Thank you for watching. Until next time. I got 3 Labubus. 1, 2, and 3. Pero itong last, hindi ko siya na-videohan. Only this one and this 2. So, bye. Thank you for watching. Until next time. So cute. This one. So cute. 1, 2,